You are free. No work, no class. You pick up your phone, you scroll and scroll and scroll, and like this, 1 hour gone, 2 hour gone, 3 hour gone, and the whole day gone like this. And you feel empty. You say, I have nothing to do. So is this you? Don't worry, I'm also like this sometime, and that's why I come up with this video for you guys. So having nothing to do is dangerous. Your mind starts thinking negative things like my life is so boring, they have job, they have career, they are earning money, they enjoying their life, and I have nothing to do. I'm just sitting at my home alone and I'm just walking and I'm just scrolling the phone. So yeah, this happens with everyone, even it happens with me. So it's not a big deal, it's not something like you are suffering alone. Okay, so just I want to say something through this video, and yeah, please don't skip this video because I'm going to tell something very important for you, and it's going to be very helpful for you. So yeah, when you have nothing to do, you feel sad for no reason. You waste time on the phone and then you feel guilty. Right. Free time should make you happy, but it makes you tired. Why? Because we do not have a plan for empty time. Right. You have lots of free time, but you don't know what to do in this free time. This is the main problem. Don't worry. So guys, hello, my name is Salini, and today English practice topic is what to do if you have nothing to do. So guys, I will not give you big advice like start a business, be like Ambani. I will give you 5 small free things you can do in the free time, and this will make your free time useful. So yeah, and your mind will blast after watching this video. So please watch this video because I'm going to talk on very important topic, and at the same time improve your English, practice your English with me. So guys, after this video you will love your free time. You will never say I am bored again. So listen and pick one idea from this video and start enjoying your life. So actually, what I want to say, I want to say smile. Your life is beautiful. So please smile. So guys, actually, see, I have coconut in my kitchen. So now this is not topic. Okay. So if you have nothing to do, congratulations. You have something that many busy people want. You have free time, guys. You have free time. And the problem is not nothing to do. The problem is we do not know what to do with free time. So guys, here in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 simple things you can do right now. Okay, so first thing is learn something small. Not big, something small. I always say start with small, start with basics, and that is what you have to do. So you can learn something like if you want to improve your English, you can learn 5 new words or 10 new words, 1 new words. Just open YouTube, open Google and search new words and watch some videos. And in this way you just used 10 minutes and it's so useful. You can use your free time and your brain is not stronger. You think, okay, so yeah, this is the first thing. Second, so second, just clean one small thing. Do not clean the full house. No, I'm not going to tell you to do this task. Just clean your table or arrange your books. When your space is clean, your mind feels calm. So this takes only 5 minutes and it's also very useful, and in this way your free time becomes useful. Okay, third is just move your body. Don't be like lazy panda. Okay, don't be like lazy panda. I know you love you love being lazy, you love sleeping, you love eating pizza, you love watching Netflix, and you just love sleeping all day long. I know your feelings, but don't worry, this is just wasting your time and your life is going to be very dumb like this. Okay, I'm not going to do just make be scientist and invent something new. I'm not going to tell you do this, guys. I'm just telling you just small things. And in this way, if you do this, your life will feel more powerful, more interesting. So the third thing, move your body. If you have nothing to do, your body is sleeping, right? So wake it up. Do jumping jacks or walk outside your room for 2 minutes. Stretch your hands. When your body moves, your mood becomes good. So in this way, yeah, watching Netflix is good. You are learning something new, knowledgeable. You can watch something knowledgeable also, but sometimes move your body so you feel refreshed, I think. Okay. Fourth, what I want to say, fourth, my mind goes blank. What should I say right now? Wait for a second. Fourth, you can talk to someone. If you are an introvert and you don't like to talk to someone, just talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. And if you'd like to call someone, then call. Or if you don't like, then talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. Talk to yourself in English and improve your English. Ask yourself how I am, what I want to do next. So in this way, if you want to talk to yourself, talk to yourself. Want to call someone, then call your friend, call your mama, call someone close and talk. And if you, because in these days, some people, everyone is busy, so you also can't call. So talk to yourself is the best idea, I think. In this way, you will understand yourself better and you will enjoy your selfness. So I think this is also important, and this is also the starting of self-love. So yeah, this is also a good idea, right? So yeah, so fifth thing is what you should do, like write your thoughts. Just take a paper, write, today I feel very happy, I'm sad, today this happens with me. Because if you write, no one will read it, and this is for you guys. When you write, your confusing thoughts become clear. The golden rule is this: do not wait for big free time. Use a small free time. You have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or whatever time you have all day. Do one thing. You have 24 hours, and just enjoy your life. Do anything, and from whatever I said in the 5 points. And free time is like money. Don't waste it and use it. And if you are also if you are lazy panda, don't worry, lazy panda is also good. But if you can do something, then do. Move your body. Planting is also good, drawing is also good. Just try to refresh your mind, use your time, learn something new. So in this way, you will love your free time, I think, and you will also more refreshed, I think. Yeah. So guys, if you save small money daily, you become rich. If you use a small free time daily, you become skilled and happy. So guys, next time you say I have nothing to do, just smile and say yourself, I have many things to do. Okay, so it's all about your mindset. So just start doing things. Don't waste your free time, because you have free time, you have this beautiful life. Enjoy your life, use your beautiful time. Your free time is very precious. And yeah, you are not alone. You are not midway. Some people doing their job, earning money. Still you are 30, you are not earning money. It's okay. Start YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is also good. You can start your own YouTube channel. You can learn something. If you have interest something, cooking, in makeup, in styling, traveling, whatever niche you can suit, and start a YouTube channel. Don't think I will get subscribers or not. Just start, and in this way you will use your free time, and this is going to be refresh your mind. So yeah, this is what I wanted to say in this video. So thank you so much for watching, and love you all for supporting. And also please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also love you all. And next I will come up with another new video. But first, please do subscribe my channel, support my channel, and motivate me, guys, so that I can upload more videos for you. So thank you so much for watching, and also keep speaking English, keep learning English, choose any topic and start speaking and start practicing. Never give up, and enjoy your life, enjoy your beautiful life. Use your precious free time and love your life. Thank you so much. All the best. Bye bye.